So today question is, what are the use case and condition become to be false in Python? There are relational operators, logical operators, membership operators, identity operators. So all this operation expression returns Boolean, true or false. Apart from this operators with the expression combination, there are other use cases. You can say this example. If it is empty number and it's empty float value, empty string, empty bytes, empty list, empty tuple, empty dictionary, and none type data, and empty set. This all you can typecast to Boolean, it says it's false. So expression returns either true or false, that is one use case. Apart from this, if you typecast to any of this value as a Boolean, then it will become to be false. Say for example, if I'm taking some value from input, enter n value, in case if I enter some number, then we can say the n value. Whatever the n value is something. Just we can format it. In case if n value is empty, so n is empty, or you can say this is empty string, or there is no input. There is no input. Now say this, I'll ignore this. I didn't type any input. Control will take you else part. So expression written one use case, number values or any Boolean, any float value, integer value, empty string. So this all its conditional control will take you the else part space. Apart from this, there are other use case. So this example, if I enter something name, it will return name. If you not passed any input, that input returns will be empty, the same like above case. Sorry, your input is empty. In Python, function does not return any value. The default return will be none. This is a function. There is some initialization. It does not return anything. So it is empty. Empty means it's equivalent to none. So we can say function call, if followed by function call, then we can write message say yes or no. So where this control will goes. If function returns something, then the value will be going to be true. If function does not return anything, control will take you. So I didn't use any expression in this all this if condition statement. Because I'm initializing this value directly. Like the same for all other types of data. If list is empty, if you create an empty list and part of if statement, if you say this condition, control will take you else part. Or we can say this empty list. List it contains some value, then it will become to be true. That means it will print the list values. Say for example, is some data, then list is not empty. It's not an empty list. So the objective is without using any expression style, using Python variable value, how to validate our input or how to validate the variable, we can use this conditional statement. So all this use case control condition will become to be false. Okay. Thanks for watching. So we'll connect later.